Yeah, I think the wind's just gonna wreak havoc on my hoop house today. What do you think? Rick and I just can't get the tarps tight enough. Oh my. So I thought I'd come back in, and we still have some wind. A little bit, but I think we salvaged it, and primarily I think because we put these straps on that held it to the T-rails in the center, and then coming from this side up, so there's less wobble this way. So it survived. While I'm out here, I might as well. That's ripe enough for me. Yep, November 4th, 5th, something like that. This is good. What do you think? You think that's a little radish? There we have it. Got the wood chips down. Not bad. Not bad at all.